Hello everyone, this is Isha from Language Academy and today I have Sneha with me. She has recently cleared her PT exam with a perfect 90 overall. Sneha, first of all, many congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Sneha, I would like to ask you that you were an online student of Language Academy. How was your overall experience?
So actually the experience was very nice. I was very scared at the beginning. So I used to, I remember I used to call you and Shaminder sir that I'm scared how I'm going to achieve my desired score. And reading is very tough, but I always got a positive, motivation from you guys that, you are doing good, Sneha, you will be able to do better. Don't worry, you will achieve your desired score. And I remember I joined LA, I think in August, yeah. So within just 2 months, I was able to achieve this good score. So thank you.
Yes, yes. Thank you to you too, Sneha. Sneha, I remember that when you were attending the practice sessions with me and Shaminder sir as well, you used to actively take part in the discussions. How helpful were those discussions to you in achieving your desired score?
Yeah, so see, when we attend any practice session and do a practice session or practice on our own, I particularly found a significant difference between those two because when I do practice on my own, I tend to forget things. But in our discussion in online session, I particularly used to remember those things and those explanations which you used to provide us, that okay, if you are not able to get this particular meaning or context of this particular passage, how should you interpret it and how should you understand it. So yeah, that was a significant aspect of it.
Sneha. And Sneha, like before sitting for your actual exam, you took a number of mock tests, I remember. So
Yeah.
what was the importance of the mock test and the expert feedback which you used to get after taking each and every mock test?
Yeah, so I gave many tests, I think 3 to 4 mock tests within just 2 months. So, and each time I used to get individual, mail regarding each and individual task. Okay, this is your weak point, work on that. And in fact, Varun sir, I remember, dropped me a mail saying that, okay, in particular I think FIBs only and written writing essays and everything. So he used to in fact point out the spelling mistakes as well, that okay,
Mm.
this is your spelling mistake that you have done, so please improvise it. So yeah, it was very valuable feedback that I got from you.
Sneha. And in the very first attempt, you were able to score a perfect 90. So what do you think that how important part the Language Academy's template played in these?
Yeah, so with Language Academy templates, it made it very easy. All the tasks, I would say, everything, even written discourse, regarding essay templates, then speaking fluency, I was able to improve all of these things just because of Language Academy templates. So I found it very useful.
Yes, Sneha.
Yeah.
Sneha, and any final piece of advice for the students out there who are preparing for this exam and going to sit for their exam?
Yeah, so one thing is for sure that practice a lot on your weak areas. And the other thing is that is most important, believe in your tutors. They know what is the best for you.
Yes. So
Yeah.
Sneha has rightly pointed out that practice a lot and believe in your tutors as well as yourself a lot.
Correct.
So Sneha, many congratulations to you once again, and we wish you best of luck for your future as well. And so we'll be meeting up to you all with the upcoming next success story. Until then, goodbye and take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye.